friends, so we got a nice package dropped off today from Condor Speedshop for the E36. This is their E36 Coupe polycarbonate window kit for your quarter glass. What's really nice about these is they come pre-cut and drilled for the NACA ducts. For those that don't know, NACA was the predecessor to NASA, and they are the ones that designed these ducts for aircraft and spacecraft. Basically, the premise is this will bolt on the inside, as you can see, and then the tube that I bought, two 6-foot sections, will be plumbed to custom cooling nozzles I made that will point on the driver and passenger, so as the vehicle's in motion it can take in air and blow at cool air, because we will no longer have heat and AC in this vehicle. So just wanted to unbox, make sure nothing was damaged in shipping. So far I'm super impressed. It looks like these are all laser cut. They've got a nice protective coating on them, and what I really like is the etched channel along the outside, which will make painting these super easy. You want to go ahead and paint those outer borders black so it looks like the factory painted windows. So did get some goodies in the box. Got a couple koozies, some stickers, little swag. You know, they're putting their name out there. You get an advertisement for their website and things like that. But what I really liked, nice personal touch, I got a nice handwritten card. You know, that really means a lot when somebody takes time to actually scribble on paper and pen. So yeah, both windows look really good. They match perfectly to one another, so that means they're, you know, whatever their process is, whether these are computer cut or hand cut, you know, they stack right on top of one another and are matched perfectly. So that's a good indicator of quality. The tube they send is just, you know, standard 3-inch brake tube, but it should work perfectly for what I'm trying to do. It's not going to be carrying high temp stuff. But yeah, so there are the E36 Condor Speedshop windows. This is just kind of an unboxing, get an idea what shows up with them. Like I said, there are 2 of these ducts. There's 2 sections of tubing. You know, a bunch of cool stuff, sticker you can slap on the car. So I'll definitely be documenting installing these in the car when the time comes. We're going to be pulling a bunch of glass out anyway, because we ordered the cage kits FD spec cage that, you know, at this point we have no idea when we'll get it, but we are expecting to see that. So these will make welding that in a little easier, already having the glass out. So stay tuned, friends, and we'll have more updates for you coming soon.